Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property and today we are back at the 4-bedroom HMO conversion for one of our clients based in Hong Kong. Now they're completely hands off in this process and we've just finished first fix joinery, which means that all the joinery is done to enable the actual plumbers and the electricians to come in to do the first fix electrics and the first fix plumbing. Let's dive straight into the property to see exactly what's been happening so far. Okay, so we're in the front room at the moment. This is going to be the communal room, and where we work just before was going to be the kitchen. Now, originally this was an opening over here. What we've done is we've created a partition wall over here, plasterboarded over it. We've got the fireboard still to go on the other side, plus fireboard on the actual lowered ceiling as well in the kitchen. That's important for fire regulations. You want to make sure you're keeping all your HMOs to fire safety and fire regulations. So consult with the local fire regulations officer to ensure that we're doing everything within regulation to ensure that our clients and our personal properties are actually fully compliant with local fire regulations and HMO regulations as well. Let's jump upstairs and have a look at what's been going on with the actual properties for the actual bedrooms. Okay, so we're in one of the bedrooms at the moment, and this is going to be a bedroom with an off-suite, okay? So if you watched one of the previous videos, the reason for that is because we've got the separate room there. It's not gonna be big enough to create a bedroom out of it, so we're just gonna create it as an off-suite. They'll have their separate key for this. It's gonna be a nice big double-sized bedroom, which is great. Now what you'll notice, we've taken out the chimneys. If you wanna know a little bit more about that, check out the latest video, the previous video up here, and we'll go into how we actually support the chimney stacks in the roof and how that's all done. We'll go into full video. But again, if you're taking strength out of joists, etc., you need to put strength back in a building, okay? You have to make sure you do that. So what we've done, joiner's got the floor joist in here, supported that to make sure that everything's supported, and then obviously supporting these floorboards as well. We've still got the floorboards to go over here. This will obviously get done in the next couple of days, just before the actual electricians come in. But obviously we need to make sure that is done properly. Let's jump into the next bedroom, which will see the ensuite fully created, and that boarded out with the actual plasterboard as well. Okay, so we're in the bedroom number 2 with its ensuite. It's going to be a nice double-sized bedroom, as mentioned before. You'll notice here we've got, obviously we're going to have the TV over here on this wall. You've got the actual TV socket and the actual electric socket. But the partitions are all up with the joiners have been in, and all the plasterboard is all done as well on here on the external. So now it's just ready for first fix plumbing, first fix electrics, which is great. So I'm looking forward to seeing that happen because that's going to allow us to get the plasterers in to get on to the next phase of the build. Let's jump upstairs and have a look up there because there's a bit more work that's been done joinery-wise there. We're in bedroom number 3 now. What you'll notice previously before, this was obviously a load-bearing wall, it still is. But what we've had to do in order to get an ensuite here, we've had to take some of the space from the room next door. Now, the great thing about that is obviously it creates a bit more space in here. We've got a nice double-sized bedroom with an ensuite. But what we've had to do is we have to cut out through the wall, and obviously we have to put the strength back in. So concrete plinth has actually gone through in here to obviously support the wall, and obviously that's been set off now. So we don't actually need the supporting that anymore, and that's all fully safe, all signed off by building regs, which is we're happy with. And then you're going to have the ensuite inside here. It's a very nice size ensuite. We're going to have the actual toilet to the left of myself, and obviously the shower to the left of myself, and the toilet to the right as well. So we've had all the plans all drawn up that. We've got them around the house, so the actual electricians, plumbers, and the joiners know where everything is going, so everything gets exactly how we want it to be. Let's jump into the final bedroom so you can have a look exactly what's been done there. So we're at the entrance of the 4th bedroom now for this HMO. What you'll notice is we actually brought the entrance forward. What you'll normally notice on a terraced house is that you'll have a dead space at the top of the stairs. Okay, sometimes what we'll do is we actually bring the forward and the start of it like we have in this occasion, and we brought the start of the bedroom over here. And what we've purposely done is this is exact measurements of the wardrobe. So we can actually have wardrobe space here, plus luggage space above there, and this can be nice and segregated off. The door will actually open up over here. What we'll also notice is that we haven't actually put any plasterboard on this side. The reason for that is we're going to put fire boarded plasterboard on here, purely so that it means that it stops any fire coming in or entering an actual bedroom. This is going to be a fire escape, so we need to make sure we protect this area as much as possible, and especially when it comes down to the kitchen, is making sure that that is all fire protected from the ceilings to the walls, to the doors, everything like that. Now, this isn't a licensed HMO, so we don't actually need to put fire doors in place, but as standard, we treat every property, HMO especially, that it is licensed, and we put all fire doors in, any fireboarding that's needed in there. So you know that if the actual regulations change, we've got the peace of mind that we know that everything is done to regulation standards, and it's just a matter of signing off a certificate to say that it's been done. We've got photo evidence of all done, so we can actually prove later on down the line that it has been done as well. And our clients get a hold of that as well. So that's it for this. Let's jump into the room and have a look at the en-suites. Okay, so we are in the final bedroom here. You'll notice the en-suite just behind. We've still got some plasterboarding still need to finish off here, which the joiners will finish that today. But what you'll notice is we've also got here plasterboard over here as well. So this is the en-suite, the third bedroom that I mentioned, where we've had to break through and take some of this space, okay? It's still a really nice sized bedroom. What you'll notice is that the actual TV will be on this wall over here. That's what we've got on the plans, and the bed on that wall as well. So it's going to work out really, really nice room, this nice size double bedroom, just like all of them are, which is great. But it allows us to utilize the space wisely within the HMOs. So if you are looking at HMOs and you do actually want to get involved with UK property, but you simply just don't have the time to do it, then please just head to jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a free call with one of our team. We can look at your strategy and how we actually get you moving forward, so you can have minimal time involvement within your property investment process. You can search that on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Please don't forget to actually subscribe to our channel. Also hit that like button if you've liked this video, and hit that notification bell for future videos, because every Wednesday at 6 p.m. we'll be putting out a new video of the progress of all the refurbishments that we have got going on at the moment. But otherwise, thanks very much for watching. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property. Remember to book in your free call at jenicproperty.com with one of our team, and I shall see you soon.